Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. Today was the first session for a very long time. We actually lost some money with binary option. We have been printing money all along, but this time around we got two losses. Of course, in the winning days we have up to around 11, 15 wins, so I don't worry too much about it. It's about stopping in the correct time, okay? So it's just to show you that we do not have 100% win rate, we have around 80-90% win rate. And today was very few trading opportunities also, so we did not do that well. So in this video I'm going to show you once again how you're trading and where I'm trading in the zones, okay? But before we do that, if you want to trade also together with me, first of all, sign up for this broker. Just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count, okay? Second of all, help me out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, turn on this notification bell. And if you have any questions, you just put it below the video, okay? And also below the video you find a link to my WhatsApp community. There I share all my trades for Forex and binary option, also for the Telegram. And if you can choose in between them, choose to join the WhatsApp. I give a little more information there, plus you have the ability to talk to me directly. I do not take calls. I do not like to talk with people. I don't have time for that, but you can just leave a message and I reply to you when I have time, okay? Now let's see if we can find some trades. Today I'm much better. I have been very sick for a little while, coughing a lot. I still have a little coughing, but not so much as I had before. So now let's see if we can find something good. What we need to do, first of all, put on the candle chart, and I will show you where we're trading, if I see any trading possibilities, of course. For now, I do not see any. No, nothing here. We have one here, if you can come up to that level there. Let's make a line. We will follow this one here. So we make a line here. What I do, I always make it in the color I like to trade. So in this way we sit down, and I always make it the thickest line. So what I'm looking for here now, we don't want any to go about. So we see one here's a little bow. That means we need to move the line little there. That's where I want to have it. So if we come up to this line there, we are going to take $100 trade, okay? And I will change it for 30 seconds, 30 seconds, okay? So now you know, we can close this one. Actually, we have one here, let's see. We take one here, we make it green. Let me zoom in to see if we have sun spikes below. We don't want that. There we have one. Then we have two we can follow. Cool. Then we follow this one and this one. Let's see if we can find something more. This one here we can close. Which one was closer? I think it was the first, wasn't it? A little far away now, so we can take a look here. Here I do not find nothing. Let's see the next. Nothing here. By the way, tomorrow, if you want to follow my session tomorrow, it will be a little earlier, okay? Because I am moving, I'm very busy this week. So tomorrow the session will be 1 hour before, okay? Just so you know that. My sessions are typically start 7:30, so it will be 6:30 tomorrow. Let's change for 30 seconds. We are getting very close. Now let's see if we can get in a trade here. It's not, here is the thing, how I trade. I know I have two losses today from the session. I'm not after to try to revenge trade and try to make the money back. I don't think like that. I am so successful in what I'm doing. So most of the time I make big profit every single day I trade. So if I have a losing day, I accept that. So even if I just take one trade now, yes, in paper I will be like $105 in minus, but that's completely fine for me. I don't count day by day. I count the months. So now if you just find one trade, I'm happy with that. If we find two, maybe you take two. If I'm 3, we take 3. Everything, I don't want this video to be too long because I'm basically coming a moving car here in Monday. So I have a lot I need to do yet. I don't like to have people touch my stuff, so I do everything myself. So there are a lot of work to do. Only thing I will not worry about is cleaning. I hate to clean, so I will have someone cleaning for me, of course. But about the moving part, I need to do the packing, so it's much work. And always when you're packing, you find so much thing you need to trash everything and go through all the documents, and you know how it is. It's so much work. So that's why I think I will just take one trade now, as long as it's a winner, of course. So let's wait and see if we can find ourselves a trade. That could be nice. This one far away, so it looks like it's this one, the higher probability we get a trade. If we go above this region here, I will start to look if we find another pair. If we close above this here, we look another pair. But yes, I would prefer get a trade soon now because I have limited time today. Very limited. So I really hope we can get a bar down here now and we can get a trade. That would be nice. Even my dog here is stressed, as you know. Okay, let's see. So this is a typical day for me. I make some videos, I have my session. It's a lot of things to do. Also I have some other things in work. That's something I come back to later. Now looks like we maybe can come down. Let's see. We do have some type of support here, so we need to break that one. So we come down to this region here. We will zoom in so we are ready. Let's see now. Come on. We are in. There we have the first trade in. We hope. 5 seconds. Why I can do a mistake like that? And we got a bad entry. If we go down, I'll take one more. Let's hope we win that one. I will take one more then, as I did a 5-second error trade. We would have won, by the way, if I did not do this mistake. Now let's see. That's the thing, it's fast to do mistakes when you change in between so you don't change back to 30 seconds, you know. It's very scary this. Now we got 2 losses because of mistakes. I hate it. Then we'll take some more trades. There we got a good entry. We take one more. So we have 2. And let's see if we can get one more down there. If you go down, we take one more. So we turn profit at least. Let's see. First you wait for this 2. One closed profit. Second closed profit. Let's take one more so we turn profit in this session because of mistakes in the start. One there. Not a good entry, but we take it. Then we have turned at $100 profit in this session. One more. One more. Then we are in 0 for the day. Then have got back the losses from the morning, the 2 losses, as long as you win, of course. One more. One more. Then if you win this one, we are $100 profit for the day. And there we have it. You see, I had $200 loss from the trades from morning, and there you see. Actually, now let's take a calculation. Let's calculate the 2 losses we got from morning. 200 That's, we see one there now in the bottom and this one below. Then we got a win, plus 100, minus 100. I think I actually gained more money. Let's see. Now let's go and see. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 95. We gained a lot more profit than I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $375 profit, including the losses I did from the session. So there you have it. That's how amazing it is to trade binary option. I was calculating wrong. Well, I had more winners than I was calculating. There you can take it one more there, by the way. You take all every time you come to the line till the line is broken. And you can see here, if you trade it from start here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 possible wins. Of course, you would probably, like me, lost this one here. But you see here now, you see the win rate. It's that easy. I could have traded more now, but sadly I do not have time for it. I need to pack more. I hope you enjoy. So there you see, I turned a day that was a losing day to a profit day. Make sure you join me in the WhatsApp community tomorrow. It will be 1 hour earlier, and let's make some money together. But first, make sure you sign up for this broker with the link you find below. Use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit, and let's trade tomorrow together. And there every single day. You can talk to me also if you need some help. You just ask, say that you are from YouTube and you need help with your trading. I help you out for sure. I love to help people. So with that, have an amazing day.